Aloha, I'm Anita Anderson. The following presentation will show some advantages of passive solar building techniques in Hawaii.
This home looks like an ordinary plantation home from the outside. But step inside with me to a wonderful surprise of openness and light. As you can see, the house is well lit using natural light from the skylights. No other lighting is needed during daylight hours. What you can see is that the house is also a natural vertical ventilation system, also referred to as a thermal chimney. The hot air in the house rises up and exits the house through the vented skylights. Cooler air enters the house from floor vents, so the house is cooled and the air continually circulates without the use of fans or air conditioning. This house is one of over 150 buildings designed and completed by architect Virginia Macdonald, all reflecting her passion for developing sustainable and appealing architectural design. Initially inspired by her observations of the ventilation of a thatched hut in French Polynesia, Virginia devoted her career to applying similar principles to contemporary buildings, with the goal of living well now with what we have, and also conserving resources for future generations. The basic principle utilized in Virginia Macdonald's vertical ventilation system is that hot air rises. In this schematic drawing from her book, Heating or Cooling Your Building Naturally, Virginia demonstrates how cool air comes through the vents set into the floor or the lower parts of the wall. Heated air rises and exits through vented skylights. She points out that each site environment is unique, so that the layout and orientation of skylights and vents need to take into account the natural factors affecting the site, such as wind, available shade, sun angle, and climate, and so on. This house was specifically designed for the site, but Virginia also modified other homes to take advantage of the vertical ventilation system. I was very impressed during a tour of homes in Volcano. All of the homes were fresh, well lit inside by skylights despite their location in the rainforest settings, and one home remained fresh and mold-free despite the owner's absence for weeks or even months at a time. The system can dehumidify the air as well as heat or cool the air within the house. In the example of this house located in Maukakona, you can see the airflow by the movement of butterflies mobile in the window. The closets were also left open at the top so air can circulate more freely to inhibit mold and eliminate mustiness. We can bake in the oven and still maintain the same temperature in the house because all the extra heat goes out of the skylight. A smoky pan on the stove? No problem. The smoke goes straight up. There are no more episodes of having the smoke detector go off. The vertical ventilation system works optimally when the doors and windows are closed. This seems like a strange idea in Hawaii, but the airflow from the floor vent means less dust. Outside smells or noise and noises are reduced, and there is the added security of no open windows to tempt a burglar. And the fresh airflow from the floor vents bring in the sweet fragrance of the nanu and the native gardenias planted outside. Virginia Macdonald now lives in California. The houses and other buildings that she designed while living in Hawaii remain a testament to her passion to create buildings that are healthier for people and the environment. Her work continues to inspire new generations of architects, homeowners, and others. This house is a delightful model of the wonderful benefits that can be achieved through the use of natural ventilation and solar energy. The sun is 100% consistent and non-polluting, and a sustainable energy source. We use it and it is free.
I hope some of these ideas work for you. For more information, you can contact me at P.O. Box 846, Holualoa 96725.